Hi guys, and welcome to the Comprehensive SQL course. I hope you're looking forward to getting hands-on with SQL. In this section, we'll be focusing mainly on getting you set up on Oracle Apex and installing your first sample dataset. We'll cover some basics around databases, and you'll get a chance to run your first SQL code. Section 2 is all about data types in SQL, and we'll cover some of the main string, date, and numerical data types. In Section 3, we'll focus on the 5 main SQL commands. This will cover everything from creating, querying, updating, deleting tables, and much more. It will be a great section in terms of getting stuck in with SQL. In Section 4, we'll discuss qualifying columns and aliasing tables. This will be a very important thing to understand, especially later in the course when you'll be performing more complex queries such as joining data from multiple tables. In Section 5, we'll discuss logical and comparison operators. You'll also be introduced to one of your first main clauses, which will be the where clause. This is used to filter data and is very commonly used in the SQL world. We'll also be covering the case statement, which is a useful function for classifying data based on logic. In Section 6, we'll revisit date, string, and numerical data types, but this time we will focus on functions specifically designed for these data types. In Section 7, we'll move on to aggregation functions such as sum and average, and look at how you can group your tables. This will be similar to how you use pivot tables on Excel and is a very important topic in SQL. In Section 8, we move on to joins. This is arguably the most important section of the course, as performing joins of multiple tables is the cornerstone of relational databases. In Section 9, we will look at set operators. Set operators can be used to combine the results of multiple SQL queries in a single result set. In Section 10, we will dive deeper into how SQL executes all of the different clauses and operations and the order of precedence. We will also look at subqueries, which are SQL queries nested inside each other. Section 11 will focus more on the theory of relational databases and data models. We will also look at database constraints. Section 12 will look at how to work with views. Views are virtual tables which are not physically stored in the database. And finally, we have the question bank, which will be full of assignment questions and walkthrough solution videos covering all of the topics we've covered in the course. This will be a great section for you to develop some practical experience and really apply all of the concepts that you will learn in this course. I highly recommend you attempt all of the questions. Please do ensure you watch all of the lectures and take your time with the assignment questions. Learn at a pace that is comfortable for you, and remember that mastering any skill takes practice and patience. In terms of general housekeeping, you can change the video quality using the settings widget on the video player. I recommend setting it to 1080p if possible. You can also adjust the playback speed and speed up the lectures or slow them down, depending on your preference. There is a Q&A section for you to post any questions if you get stuck or are having any issues. And another final point to note is that some of the lectures will have resources attached that you might find useful, so please look out for those. Okay, so I hope you're ready to begin, and I'll see you in the next lecture.